Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bubbles from nano tape. First, gather your materials: nano tape, a straw, and any small decorations like glitter or beads. Next, cut a piece of nano tape, ideally between 4 and 6 inches long, depending on your desired bubble size. Then, carefully fold the tape in half lengthwise, making sure the sticky sides are pressed together firmly to create a sealed pouch. Now, seal 3 of the 4 edges of your folded nano tape, leaving one short end completely open. This creates a small pocket. Carefully insert your straw into the open end, making sure it's snug and won't slip out easily. If you're adding fillings, gently pour your glitter or other small items into the pouch around the straw before sealing the final edge. With the straw in place, carefully seal the last open edge of the nano tape around the straw. It's crucial to create an airtight seal here to prevent air from escaping. Once sealed, gently begin to blow air through the straw. Watch as your nano tape bubble starts to inflate and take shape. Continue blowing until it reaches your desired size, then carefully remove the straw and quickly seal the hole. After inflating, quickly pinch and seal the small hole where the straw was removed to completely close your bubble. You can then decorate your unique nano tape bubble with markers, stickers, or even more glitter on the outside. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your creative new nano tape creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.